How to save in 2025. How to save in 2025. A lot of people don't know how to save, and that's why they are not motivated to save. And saving is very, very important. Even in those days, when our fathers who are farmers, they save their seeds to plant the next year. If they don't save, they can't have seed to sow in the next year. So sowing is very, very important. Saving is also very important. So we are looking at how to save in 2025. In 2025, which we are approaching very soon, how do we save? Number one, or one of the ways you will save in 2025 is that you must have purpose for saving. This purpose for your saving is what will motivate you. It will be like a propeller that will propel you to save. If you don't have a purpose of saving, you cannot be able to save. So you must have a purpose to save. For example, you can say, okay, I'm saving to build a house. I'm saving to buy a land. I'm saving to buy a car. These things will be your purpose, So based on your purpose is not my purpose, but you must have a purpose. If your purpose is to buy a land, it is that land that will help you to save. It will propel you. When you remember, in 2025, I will have my own land. That's having my own land. It will be a propeller that will propel you. It will motivate you to be saving. It will motivate you. Remember that in 2025, you will have your own land. That will motivate you to save. That is what will help you to save. Another thing you need to do, set a target. You must set a target. For you to save successfully in 2025, you must set a target. What is going to be your target? You can say, okay, my target, I have a target daily. I'm going to save 1,000 naira every day. I'm going to save 2,000 naira every day, or I'm going to save 10,000 naira every week, or I'm going to save 10,000 naira every month. You must have a target. This will help you to save very well. So when you have a target, you plan for that target and you achieve your target every day. You can set aside a certain amount every day, every week, or every month. This will help you to save well in 2025. And then another thing you must do to save well in 2025 is that you must set a secret account, an account that you cannot touch, a particular account. You must not have ATM card in that particular account. Look for an account that you will not have ATM card, because when you have an ATM card on that account, you can easily go and withdraw money. Don't have ATM card for that account. Set an account and then put money in that account. Take it that is a money that you have thrown away. Don't assume that account is your own. Take it that this account is not my own. Put your money in that account and don't withdraw. Put money in it daily, weekly, monthly, and don't withdraw that money. I bet you after 6 months, after 1 year, when you go back to that account, you'll be surprised at amount that you have gotten. Now, another thing you must do is you have to plan how to invest that money after a period of time. Plan how to invest that money after a period of time. Set a goal, what you want to use that money for. Plan how you are going to use that money. Maybe after 6 months, maybe after 1 year. You say, okay, after 1 year, I'm going to open a business, or after 1 year, I'm going to buy shares, or after 1 year, I'm going to look for something you need to invest that money. That money is not just for investing and eating. No, you have to make a goal, plan a goal, draw a chart, have a blueprint of how you are going to invest that money, the type of business you are going to invest that money, where and how you are going to invest that money. This will also motivate you to save that money in 2025. Now, another thing you have to consider is that after investing the money, you have to learn how to build your investment. Another thing you have to do is you have to plan how to learn how to build your investment. You have to build your investment to a certain level that you maintain cash flow. Build your investment. Put money in that business every week or every month. Put money in that particular business. Build it to maintain cash flow. If you don't put money in it every week or every month, you cannot maintain cash flow. Maintain a cash flow. This will help you to catapult you to financial freedom. If you really want to be financially free, you have to build that investment monthly, so that investment can grow to a certain point where it can now diversify that investment. You have to build that investment. Please, if you are watching me for the first time, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you are watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you are watching me on Facebook, follow me. If you are watching me on TikTok, I want you to follow me. I have a lot of things to teach you. Don't forget, my name is Mefas. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Hello, guys. If you're watching me for the first time on YouTube, I want you to subscribe to my channel so that I can get notification when I drop my videos. If you're watching me on Facebook, I want you to follow me. If you're watching me on TikTok, I want you to follow me. I love you. Please, I have a lot of things to teach you. Don't forget, I'm your financial coach. See you next time in my next video. Thank you. Bye.